everybody and welcome to my Indian life. So this is just gonna be a few days of my life because I am sick, of course. Just look at the amount of medicines that I have, like these, then I got these, yeah. So I've got a viral fever apparently because I am pathetic when it comes to taking rests. If I've done a morning flight, I mean most of my crew will be sleeping first, then doing whatever if time permits and all. But me, no. I gotta seize the day, make the most of my day. So I don't sleep after an early morning tiring flight. I would go out, and that really took a toll on me this time, and I hate myself for doing that. Now I'm gonna rest more for sure. It's okay, I've visited most of the cities and I've made most of my layovers already, so now I guess it's time to rest. You know how when you're young you're like all out and about, then you grow old and you're like, I guess it's my time to rest. That's my time right now. By the way, I'm filming on my GoPro Hero 5. What? Yes, my mother and my brother gifted this to me as a birthday gift. This is, hey, I can't see the screen. So this is what it looks like. Ooh, look at the picture quality. That's so good, right? So yeah, I'm filming. I hope the colors are okay because my only concern with this is that the colors end up becoming very plain, and I don't want that. I want all the bright colors to be as bright as possible. I like the videos to be bright, you know. So I played with the settings a little bit, and my brother was after my life, like, go ahead, experiment with it, but I was just too lazy. I guess this was the time when I had to get started with experimentation. Anyways, so oh, my brother is here. I'll open it. My mom went with me to the clinic. That's my brother. Hi.
Hello.
Guess what? I experimented with the GoPro. I experimented with the settings. You happy about that? Yeah, huh? So I filmed so many videos that I've got less days in this month left, and I've got more videos. So I have been making a new video live every single day. I mean, I decided that today only. So I will be making lots of videos live at the end of this month, and by the end of it, I'm sure you and I both will be sick of seeing my face on the internet. So I'll probably take a break in the beginning of August, which works out fine because it's my birthday on 5th August. So that's okay. I also, don't worry, I've not forgotten the meetup. I have to hold the meetup, but I was pushing it for this month because then it rains anytime, and my mom was like, what if it rains when you're holding the giveaway? And I want to hold it somewhere outside where you guys can take good pictures and we can hang out. Got a really good place in mind, but let's see. Ooh, I've got this really cool new thing that this company sent to me. I've not made a video about companies sending me free stuff a lot because the companies have been sending them at big intervals and I was too lazy to film the vlog. So this is from a brand called Carbon Coco. They sent me this, a toothpaste and a toothbrush. Now it's up to you to guess what it's about because of course you will be seeing the video. It's bad. So Kylie was having this deal where you could buy one get one free stuff. I was like, oh, this is my time, and look at this. Would you look at this, Kylie? I have not ordered a lip kit so far. I just had singles. So I've got a lip kit and I've got 2 singles which were free. So excited about this. I have to review this, but the review month is about to get over, but it's okay. I'll review it during my birthday month. Yeah. So I have this Kylie box that I just saved up because I'm such a fan girl and I kept some of my DIY necessities in this, but I think I've had enough of it now because this box is not very sturdy. As you can see, it has seen its bad days. So the box that I'm going to be using for this from now on is the Troy RK box that they sent me. This is a relatively sturdy box, so I think it's going to stay. I wanted to put this in the 10,000 subscriber giveaway winners box, but then I forgot and I already packed it. So let me just transfer all these things. This is gonna be my planner for the next year. I'm excited about that. These are the things that go on top of it to make different messages, which is very interesting, I thought. My mother and my brother gifted that to me, of course. They just spoil me way too much. This was a keychain that's shaped like a donut. See, more stuff can fit in now. And this can go. I don't know what to do with this. I want to keep it because I'm such a DIY girl. Guys, this is my travel scrapbook. Look at it. That's me when I was a little baby. Malaysia, Bangkok, Leh, we got Udaipur, and more travels are yet to come. I got rid of one dress from this hanger, and then I got rid of a night t-shirt. I'm very happy about that. Now you can shut. One of you pointed out that you're also reading The Palace of Illusions. I'm almost there, but because of YouTube, I've not been able to finish it. I guess today I will, because I don't want to strain my eyes too much. Also, guess what? I bought this cover from Sarojini Nagar for 100 rupees. I was like, woo, score. And I was so excited, I didn't even try to fit it on top of my phone, and now it doesn't fit. It's a bit loose. So let me know what I can do, because I'm not going back there. I'll probably have to deal. Guys, the food is here, but I don't have the strength to get up. Can't it just travel from there to here? Whoa. So I just slept for 3 hours. It felt like I was in a different time zone or a different world. When I woke up, I was like, what? My mom woke me up to give me some food to eat and a nice herby tea. Before sleeping, guys, for like a good hour, I was just watching YouTube videos. Tana Mojo, do you guys watch her? I love her. So I was watching her videos, and I just felt like I could not move. I felt like I'm about to die, because now I realized I was heavily dosed on all my cold medicine, because I'd already taken 2 doses of it and not slept after that. I was so drowsy. Oh my god. Now I woke up, I just stalked my own Instagram profile for about an hour. Time just passes by when you're on the internet. So now I'm finally reading The Palace of Illusions. Yeah. It's actually, the thing is, I can read, okay, it's not that, but this book is a bit heavy, and I'm watching Mahabharata side by side as well, so I'm like, I'll just stop here before this gets too far into the story, and I'll first watch it, and then I don't end up watching the show, because they just capture everybody's reaction in every scene, which just stretches the episode so much, and then it's a heavy serial to watch, you know, it's a heavy show to watch, so you can't just, it's my leisure time, let me just watch Mahabharata. You can't do that, right? Trying to finish up this much of the book. If it was any other book, I would have finished it like that, but I guess these are the days when I get to finish it. I've been reading this since the beginning of this year. Can you believe it? I've never stretched a book so much, and I'm just so sad about myself, but because of this delay and stretch and everything, I'm watching the show at least. So I want to know about Mahabharata, because that's like a big epic in the Hindu culture, so I really want to do that. Have you seen the Mahabharata? I feel like guys know about this mythological stuff more than girls, which according to the older traditions, girls were the ones that were into praying and everything. But even in my like 12th class, all the guys knew everything when it comes to cooking, when it comes to all these things, and girls knew nothing, which is like so sad. Like, not for like, ooh, you're a girl, you don't know about it, but like generally you should know about your religion. I feel you should know about all the religions. It's very good. Did you guys know I met this crew who has read the Hindu, Muslim and Christian mythological books, which is like so cool to me, and I want to do that. So I was like, let me start with my own religion, and after this I've read a little bit of Bible as well, the Old Testament, the beginning of the world. I read a little bit of that, so I was like, let me just finish this first, then I'll get to other mythological books. So let me know what you think about that, and I will try to finish the Palace of Illusion, because I need my mom at home too, because so then I can ask her that, oh, did this happen, so she just elaborates it to me so that I can understand the book, because I have no clue about it. Anyway, I've talked for far too long. I've got a new replenished box of tissues next to me. That's great. Yeah, I'll go now.